Hello, welcome to your reading. These messages are for entertainment purposes only. Take what resonates, even if it is just one card, and leave the rest. Today we will be doing a quick read, see what comes through. I'm picking up on a new relationship that you may have just started. And this person could be a very strong connection. This could be somebody that, if you're not like set in your self, if your roots are not deep into the ground, you might lose yourself in how strong this connection might be. This could be a karmic relationship, something that you've felt before, and the reason why it feels so strong is because you know that soul, you know that person, you've done this before with them, and it didn't end smoothly. Like that song, when a heart breaks, it doesn't break even. It doesn't have to necessarily be heartbreak that the two of you have, but it's some kind of contract, as one soul owes the other soul something, and it's something big, it's something major, it's not something small. They I would be if you're in no contact with this person, I would be expecting words. What, text messages, letters in the mail, flowers on Valentine's Day. I would be expecting some kind of communication. This is communication on communication. And you might actually really enjoy conversations with this person. This person might have like interesting things to say, maybe about philosophy or traveling the world or just communication. Sorry, my dogs were barking. In your career, you may have found like maybe a new love for this. This is the Four of Wands, but I'm getting more of the Venus and Aries side to this, where it's like new, like, because Aries is like the start of the zodiac, so it's like, and Venus, like if Venus were to enter Aries, like, just I'm just like picking up on like a new love for work, or yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting. Um, your person could be not doing so well right now. They could be ending their cycles, or they could be ending a cycle, but things are done. So if you're worried that this person is with somebody else, or like somebody else, or is still involved with an ex, or is still involved with somebody from the past, this is a sign that they're not. This is the end of whatever they were going through. They probably went through a lot. So if you're giving them a hard time about an ex that they're still talking to, or that kind of stuff, I would chill out. I would chill out a bit. Like if I knew that, like, because they're probably not as put together as they look. They could be hiding a lot of pain when it comes to relationships, or past loves, or just trying to do things for people and it not working out. You're in some kind of indecision mode. This is your challenge. So you're blindfolded to a decision that needs to be made and you're not making it. This is going within and listening to your intuition and listening to your inner world to make the decision. This isn't something that you see with your eyes. This is a knowing that will come to you if you're open to listen to it. Some kind of decision that you're having a hard time making is what this is. This is your challenge. Let's let's find out this challenge, this decision. Give me 2 cards for this decision, please, that they need to make. What's this challenge? The challenge, please. Thanks for being here. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Give me the challenge, please. Share. They don't know either, obviously. No, they don't. They know. They know. Don't think they don't know. They know. Ask for guidance. Ask for signs. Ah. Okay. Well, whatever. it's split, obviously. And then obviously you know that one or the other is going to be better. One decision for you feels like it's just too much. If I were to go this way, then I'm going to have too much on my plate. There's going to be too much. I can't carry it all. And I think that might be why you're indecisive when it comes to one direction here. The other direction, it's like you're still looking into it. You're still investigating. You're still researching. You're asking everybody what they think. Like, what do you think about this? If I do this, then I'm like, what do I do? It's like, what do I do here? But the other side is like, you've already made your decision. It's most definitely about you, like, illuminating your inner world, right? What do I want? What do I want to do? Is this what I want to do? Do all of this other stuff? I have to make all of this happen. They're showing the Six of Wands, the Page of Swords, and I'm getting that the decision that you make that's doesn't seem like a burden, doesn't seem like it's too much to carry, is going to lead you to success. But you have to go within to know which one is best. They're probably hiding the truth from you for some reason. But hey, I don't know why I feel like they're hiding it from you, because maybe they want to teach you to go within, to look at your inner world and see which one your higher self will point you towards. Because if it feels like a lot, it's going to be a lot. Follow. Like when you meditate, like this is what I like when I used to meditate, this is what it would look like. I would like follow the stairs up to the door, and then when I opened the door, that's where my higher self would show me things. And I would set that intention, like show me what I should do, higher self. What should I do? Because obviously you're not happy where you're at. You've lost interest at all these cups down here. So ask your, like going to meditation, envision these stairs, you're walking up these stairs to get to that door. When you get to that door, like envision that's like your third eye, right? Show me what it is. Show me the path. Show me the path to the money, to the fame, to the fortune, to being financially set. What is it? I don't know. That's beautiful though. I really like that. I like that you're just sitting there. I'm getting that you need to do more research. You need to do more research. What is this? You tell me more. Okay. I need to switch decks. Let's go with this one. What deck would go good with this? Okay. Thank you. Tell me about this. Okay, so we know this. This is your person. What is this in regards to, first of all? No? Okay. Advice? Yeah, advice, please. Advice. Give them your advice, please. Give them your advice. Okay. They're like, I like that deck over there. Use that one. Ooh. Karmic. New love. You see that? That was just there. from whenever. The Lovers. Woo! Page of Swords. 2 Page of Swords. Do more research. 5 of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Let's just stop there. That's too many. Let's just say this guy and then this guy. Too much. They're like really talking now. Discernment. You're need to use your discernment and stay out of certain rooms. Keep studying whatever you need to study. Keep studying. Keep looking into answers. And it doesn't always have to be in a book. It doesn't always have to be external. Just climb the staircase in meditation and ask for guidance. And if they say go read this book or look at this book or go study, go study there, but I believe that they're trying to have you go deep within the mind and see how deep you could go. And that's where you'll find your answers. That's where you'll find your solutions to your indecision. So you won't feel like you got too much to carry, you got too much to do. Okay? Until we meet again. Take care.